In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare account, set up the DNS settings, and get started with Cloudflare Ssl, all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make these steps clear and straightforward so you can easily follow along and have your Cloudflare account up and running smoothly. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Cloudflare website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the Cloudflare URL. Once there, you'll see a range of services offered, from cloud solutions to security enhancements. For now, focus on the section that highlights how you can connect, protect, and build for free. This is where you'll begin. Next, look for the option that says Start for Free. Cloudflare offers a variety of plans, but the free version is perfect if you're just getting started. It provides a good glimpse into what Cloudflare can offer without any immediate financial commitment. As you click on Start for Free, you'll be prompted to log in. You now have the option to sign in using different methods. You can continue with Google or opt to continue with Apple, depending on which account you're more comfortable linking. This flexibility is really convenient, as it integrates with the accounts you likely already use regularly. Once you've decided on the login method, proceed to create your account by following the prompted steps. If you're choosing to continue with your Google or Apple account, you may need to authorize the connection. This step is crucial for maintaining your account's security and ensuring a smooth user experience. After logging in, the next step is to officially sign up. This registration will give you access to the Cloudflare dashboard, where most of your activity will take place. Don't worry, the process is fairly straightforward and is designed to get you set up quickly without any unnecessary hurdles. With your account set up, you can now explore the dashboard. This is where you'll configure your DNS settings. Setting up correct DNS settings is essential, as it ensures that your domain is pointing in the right direction and traffic is being managed efficiently. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout. Cloudflare provides various settings, but focus on those related directly to DNS and SSL for now. Finally, it's essential to check Cloudflare's encryption options. SSL, or Secure Socket Layer, adds security by encrypting information passing between your browser and server. While Cloudflare offers premium SSL options, its free SSL provides a solid baseline of security, which is ideal for many. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a fully functional Cloudflare account, with DNS and SSL set up, all accomplished in under 5 minutes. Remember, being thorough with each step ensures a smooth and secure experience going forward. Thanks for watching, and happy surfing with Cloudflare.